Good morning, everyone. So, as you can see, no hat today. I actually got a haircut and freshen up. And it's kind of sad because I only did that for Valentine's Day. But I'm gonna keep up with the maintenance. I'm trying to stop wearing the hat because the hat kind of like hoods me like this a little bit. And you know, I don't know. I wore the hat for like years. So that's what you guys are used to seeing. Day after Valentine's, I called off work because I woke up late. And yeah, we're gonna go hang out today with Pico. I think he's gonna look for some new equipment for his camera because his situation is kind of messed up. He broke his camera. If you watch his channel, he kind of updates you on that. As you can see, no wing still. Looks really funny. And here's the F. I took the tag off because I needed the bolts. From the last video I told you, I had the Mugen bolts here holding the license plate for like the past 4 years. So looks good though. Looks really clean. So we can get ready and head over to Pico's house. And then we're gonna go to the store, Best Buy and whatnot. A few things, and hopefully today's vlog won't be so boring. For those of you who don't know, you have to put the key into ignition and then the push start button's over here. So this was pretty advanced for its time. Do a quick walk around now that we're outside. Doesn't look that bad. Kind of looks more discreet than anything because I'm not trying to get my car stolen. Still a thing in Florida. But I love how beefy the tires look. Look at that. So another thing I'm trying to capture right here is the odometer. If it hits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 today, that would be freaking awesome. I just gotta make sure I capture it because I'm gonna really hate myself if I don't. My gas, it's a full tank right now, but it keeps reading that it's not. So if anyone in the S2K community can figure out why it does that, I'm pretty sure it's in the back of the sending unit. You can leave a comment below and help me out because I gotta fix this problem soon. Look pretty good, eh? Not bad. Alright, just got to Pico's neighborhood. He lives in the ghetto. As you can see, all these houses are just trap houses.
I warned him, dude. I was like, you might want to bring a bulletproof vest.
Yeah.
You might get shot.
I should have worn my vest and brought my conceals, but whatever. I forgot it.
You don't have your Glock on you or anything?
I never carry it. I never carry my gun.
Chamber never carries his Glock. He doesn't put his Glock on safety. It's a joke, by the way. If you guys.
Yeah.
They don't really have a
Glocks don't. Yeah.
Safety.
Glocks don't have safety. Oh, we're taking the Z?
Hell yeah.
Can they handle it?
What?
The drive?
Man, stop joking.
This guy's brave, man. He always tells me his engine's about to blow, the rear main seal is leaking, the piston rings are fried.
I never have to change the oil because I just pour a new thing of oil so it gets fresh oil.
You literally use 1 quart of oil a day.
I mean, it's like getting gas, you know? It's a habit. I don't even have my keys on me. Time to break down is long because he can fix anything. So.
Oh, Lord. Here we go. Just another day to work, guys.
By the way, this might be a good episode if I do break down.
What did you do, Pico? He's literally been in this car for like 15 minutes. Oh, can't see through that tent. Look at this. He gotta plug in his charger. Gotta put his Avion water in the cup holder. He's gotta put the anti-locks on and freaking type in the...
I don't know where my key's at. I lost my key.
What are you... Dude. Anyway, guys, here's a quick walk around of my car. Oh, alright. Just ruin the video, man. Yo, I haven't been in this car for literally 4 years, 4 to 5 years, and I guess he's streaming in here now. I mean, there's headphones and power bank and...
Dude, you're getting my disgusting ass car, and I know you have a channel
shades
that has a following for clear. I got extra shades. You got shades?
Oh wow, shades. You throw mad shades, man. I think I'm gonna die if we crash in this goddamn car.
No, man, this car's an eggshell. Look at that. See that straight thing being behind us?
Ooh. He's a baller. He got these Kevlar seats. Look at that. Support your friends. Even if it means ruining your dashboard. I mean, your door panels. There's this place that I always go to called Teriyaki Madness. And
sounds good.
They have a spicy chicken, teriyaki beef, and it's served with either white rice or udon noodles.
It kind of sounds like a bento.
Yeah, but better.
This guy just got his card.
Wow.
It's a new Panamera.
Well, does that guy want me to detail it? Cause that thing looked like trash.
Yeah, it looked pretty rough.
So I always mention that, you know, if anyone wants a detail, hit me up. But honestly, that's not what I'm really good at. I'm really good at window tinting. And next to that would be vinyl wrapping, and I guess detail will be the third thing. So I don't really like detailing. I'll be honest with you. It's too much work. Oh my God! See, this is why we're gonna crash, guys. Look at this guy.
Oh, I got 4 new likes on my picture.
Oh my God! I'm dead. I'm dead, guys. Rest in peace to Sithlordsoup and Lamley's YouTube. Just made it. So you have it for the front. How come you don't get it for the back? Because there's no tint on the back.
Actually, was it you that took the tint off?
No.
No, I took the tint off. You know why I took the limo tint off?
No.
It's because when I got the bride seats, I was like, I can't see the bride lighters because the words are reflective right here. So when they shine in the light, it actually looks like a Super Street magazine. I love the look when you can read bride behind the seat.
Oh my God! You know,
Best thing ever, but
I'm gonna have to see what he's talking about.
it's difficult and a half.
Wow.
I've mastered this craft already.
I love when I put my mail underneath the seat like that.
You like that?
Really cool, man. Awesome. Like, you know that scene in Vin Diesel where he just pops his open and turns on his nitrous. This. Checking out some drones at Best Buy. Don't know if I need it, honestly, but it would be nice to have. Prices are okay too. This Spark is 400. This is way too much money, but you could probably get a cheaper one for 7. This LED is tripping up my camera. We're comparing a bunch of mirrorless cameras from Canon right here.
Look at this, guys. What tasty nice that. Does it work?
Yeah, that's not bad. Is it heavy?
This thing is so light.
There's sound bars.
Where are the sound bars?
You guys move right around all the time.
I don't work there, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Because apparently the backwards hat and sunglasses clearly indicate that I'm a working employee with a Blockbuster shirt on. That just makes that is great.
Bro, that is the Best Buy color though.
Apparently Blockbuster still exists, so.
Oh yeah.
I'm on Team Rogue again. I get to hold a dead cat. My two turtles are courting each other, and it's weird because I thought they were all guys.
So I actually really like this place a lot. There's only one location in Boca, so I go down here a lot. I always get 2 proteins. I recommend spicy and I recommend beef teriyaki, but all made fresh.
It's bad luck. The chopsticks. It's bad luck, you know that, right?
Oh, to stab it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
No, to leave it standing like that. It's like breaking glass. Katie knows, right?
Turn. All right, so we just left Teriyaki Madness, and my girlfriend texted me and said there's a SWAT team
I'm not trying to get hit by a bullet though.
at Tijuana Flats, out of all the best restaurants in the world, at Tijuana. So just go down this way, and then we're gonna make a right.
Oh, they're just hanging out, dude. They're not on active duty.
Really?
Look, they're just in the parking lot, just hanging out.
Oh, wow.
Kitty thought that they're not SWAT team. They're just cops in freaking tack vests.
Oh man, I'm so pissed. Alright, apparently SWAT team over here.
Let's take a look at the SWAT team.
Oh, lights are on. Wow.
Oh, someone crashed.
Really? Just drove by some bystanders saying they heard gunshots at Tijuana Flats. I bet you anything it's probably someone two-stepping. Woo, it's hot. Only thing I bought today. Actually, I didn't buy this. I got it for free. Thank you, Best Buy. Don't forget to support. Literally out here. Buy some stickers and shit.
That was hell of an adventure.
Just got home from Pico's house and I just realized I got tons of rust on the ISF rotors because I washed it and I just parked it in the garage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of the garage. gonna back it out. Probably just drive it back and forth a little bit and then bring it back just to get rid of some of that rust, because I know if I let it sit too long it's gonna just cake on and cause some issues. Probably gotta do another quick wipe down of the wheels afterwards too, because it's gonna be pretty nasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. I was saying earlier, I really like the rear end of the car. Like this vinyl wrap is really nice. Damn. It did alright. Took most of the heavy contamination off. Let's see. Oh, not bad. It goes so well with white. This color is perfect with that interior.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.